In this video, we open up my brand new Coach Empire bag. Here we go. Hey everybody, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. So first and foremost, I have to apologize for the sound. I can't seem to get my microphone to be working, so I'm using the good old stock microphone here on my video equipment. So I'm really excited about this bag because this one was really hard to acquire. So my partner actually did a lot of sleuthing to find this bag because it was sold out at every single local Coach boutique store here in the Denver metro area, along with being sold out online.
Because of the vultures.
Now you might be saying, John, we've seen that this bag is still available online. And that is true, but I specifically wanted this one in the distressed leather. And after a ton of searching, my partner was actually able to find one at a local Dillard's department store right here in the area. What's also really fun about this specific unboxing is I'm doing it on my birthday, November 10th. So we'll see when I get to posting this. So this Coach Empire bag and little accessory was my birthday gift from my other half. And I am sure he's watching, so I just want to say I love you and thank you for the amazing birthday and amazing gift. Aww. I love you. So without further ado, let's do some magic and get that bad boy in our hands. Magic! Oh, it worked! Oh my gosh! So here is the Coach Empire bag. So now that we have this bad boy right in front of us, let's go ahead and get into this Coach unboxing! So this is really exciting. You know, it's been a couple of years since I've done an official unboxing on this channel, so this just feels so right. Another question that might be coming to mind is you might be saying, hey John, why in the world do you have a Coach bag if you went to go pick this up at Dillard's? And that's because no tea, all shade.
Oh my gosh.
Dillard's now has some really atrocious shopping bags. They're these big brown paper bags that look like I've been grocery shopping or that I'm packing for a school lunch. It's not it. It's not it, Dillard's. So when we were at the mall, my partner had a great idea to go to the Coach boutique store and ask them for a larger bag for us to be able to carry it around with a little bit more ease. Okay, and I promise I'm about to get into this bag, but what's so crazy is when we went to the Coach boutique store for this specific shopping bag, they were actually selling their very last distressed leather Empire bag in the store when we were walking in. Similar to our experience, the gal that was actually buying that bag indicated that she had gone to 3 different stores and none of them had them. So ultimately, I was super glad that she got that bag. Random lady at the mall, if you're watching, I'm real happy for you. Okay, enough shenanigans. Let's get into this unboxing. Let's actually harness our power and do some magic and get that box in our hands. Magic! So here we are. As you guys can see, this is a Dillard's box. So we're gonna unbox this bad boy right now. All right, so pardon the noise. There's gonna be a little bit of noise inside. All right, that wasn't so bad. All right, Dillard's did a nice job. Cut. Dillard's did a nice job wrapping this bag. Sorry for the noise again. Here is the very first Luke. Oh my God. All right, let's get this bad boy in our hands. Magic! So here she is. Oh, I just love this bag. It comes with some fun bag charms, as you guys can see, and a nice distressed leather look. So really love the texture because, as you can see, every single one of these bags is going to be unique with that distressed look. And they have one little dice there along with little Rexy. Now, what's really exciting about this bag, if you guys know my style, of course, be sure to check out my $20,000 Coach collection, which has a grip of my items, which I will link down below. And for those of you familiar with my collection, know that I really dig a crossbody bag. Great! Ooh, so inside is actually one of the accessories, so I gotta move it because I want to show you guys that in just a second. But here is the brown patina, of course, distressed leather there, strap.
Wow.
So a nice leather strap that you, of course, can toss on both sides of the messenger bag, which I will show you guys right here. And it has those little dog leash collar clips there that are super convenient for on and off. Let's do some magic. Let's wear this girl. Magic! So here we are, and we have our Coach Empire bag. I really dig the size. This is the 40 as opposed to the 38. They have a 28, I believe, as well. But I really dig this size. All right, let's do a little bit more magic and get this bad boy off our shoulders. Magic! So here we are, and this is the Coach Distressed Leather Empire bag. And as I mentioned, this is an Empire 40, so the medium size in all the ones that they offer. Another thing that a lot of Coach lovers, myself included, really dig is to make sure that we have matching accessories for our bags. So without further ado, here is an extra accessory that I got for my birthday. So here she is. I will give you guys a close-up here. And this here is a small card wallet, as you guys can see here. Very, very nice. And a front little cover along with a little zip here on the top. Now that wallet will be great, but I do carry a lot of other things in my wallet. So I'm actually gonna show you guys which one I'm gonna use in conjunction with that one. Magic! So this is just an old one that I have here, regular black leather, ton of room for cards and cash. And this is gonna be what I use with these two accessories. Yes, I know, it's not a perfect match. Oh yeah, and for those of you wondering, this bag was $750 retail, and that little card wallet was $125. Of course, I discovered this after I finished wrapping the video, and it also comes with a little dust bag. Just thought some of y'all would like to know. All right, folks, so that was our Coach Empire 40 bag unboxing. Now, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and that little notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. I will definitely be posting more videos right here on my YouTube channel. Remember, I post on select Saturdays at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. You can follow me all over social media at Lannen. If you want to learn more about me, do so at johnlannen.com. Thank you again for the support and watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!